We start out each lab day with a concept, whether that is activity of a muscle or the impact of temperature. And then we also start with some set of tools, whether that's a machine that measures airflow coming into and out of your lungs or electrical signals running down your arm. All of those things are ways that we can track our own physiology, the inner workings of our own bodies. And then what happens is the students are tasked to ask their own question. So here's your concept, here's your tool set. Now you go ask a question. But every lab, every time, they're designing their own experiment that lets them really take charge of that exploration, and it lets them dig in, and I think a much better way than just a cookie cutter lab where I say, here's your tool, go measure this, lift these weights, and then crunch some data. Science is more creative than that, and I think there's a lot more applied learning when I don't tell you what to graph. I say, go find a good graph that makes sense, that tells a story, that lets you learn something new. And so all of these labs end up being really student-driven explorations of physiology.